It's going down September 14th through 16th in San Antonio. The 11th Annual Auto Glass Week is being held at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center September 14th through 16th in San Antonio, Texas. And Delta Kits will be in the building at booth number 912, so come and check us out. Auto Glass Week is the place to be for everything auto glass related because you can see new product launches, network with other people in the industry, and take in some educational seminars. Or maybe you want to test your skills and compete in the Repair Olympics. They have increased the competition prizes and expanded the show floor, so this year should be the largest show to date. So mark your calendar so you can come connect with us in San Antonio, Texas.